teachers, this is Mrs. Thomas. I'm going to show you how to assign a Google Sheets assignment in your modules. So I'm going to go to my modules. I am going to add an assignment under this module. And then I'm going to click on New Assignment. And then I can name it, like, for example, Pixel Art Reveal Assignment Part 2. And I would like to indent it so my students can see it right away. I'm going to click Add Item. Now, this is not published yet, so I am going to edit it because there's nothing really in it. On the upper right, I'm going to click Edit. So you need to fill in some information, like, for example, the directions. You just have to type it in here. Then make sure that you change the number of points. So I'm going to give it 100 points. But I'm going to put it in as an alternative assessment. And then what else can I do? Submission type. This is the most important part. I'm going to click on External Tool, and I'm going to click Find. Now, among the external tools, I'll have to find Google LTI 1.3. Now, if 1.3 is a little wonky for you, go ahead and use 1.1. They're pretty much the same, but I'll use 1.3 for this demonstration. Okay, so this thing will pull up. So you need to make sure that when you are working on external tools like this and you want it to connect to your Google Drive, and make sure that you are logged in to Google Drive with your correct credentials, like this one right here. So I'm going to click Continue. And then this message will pop up. I'm going to click on Attach. And I am going to find something like this one right here. Copy of, I know it's a Google Sheets because of the icon. I'm going to click Add. I'm going to give it a good due date. I'll put it for December 31st. Hit Done. I don't need a rubric. I'm just going to click Create. Now, don't leave this yet. You have to click Select. Okay, now I will give unlimited number of attempts, or if you like, you can limit it to so many number of attempts, but that's fine with me. So I'm going to assign it to all my students, and I'm going to give the same due date of December 31st. Hit Done, and it will be available through December 31st. Hit Done. Then I'm going to save and publish. So this is how it's going to look like, and there you have it.